You say you love me, but the words feel thin. Promises you're painting, but the colors don't sink in. Yeah, your touch like vapor, it slips through my skin. Echoes in the silence, where do we begin? I say nothing, voice sounds sweet. I masquerade the same old beat. I'm searching for the rhythm, but you off key. Say you love me, but it don't reach me. Say you love me, say it true, but the vibe ain't flowing. What's the use? Empty phrases, hollow tunes. Say you love me, but I don't feel you. Your love's a shadow, it fades in the light. A fleeting mirage in the heat of the fight. I gave you my all, still I'm losing the height. Climbing this ladder, but the rungs ain't right. Yeah. Say you love me like the waves love shore, not the way the rain forgets the floor. Say it deeper, let your soul implore. Say it real, don't say no more. Say you love me, say it true, but the vibe ain't flowing. What's the use? Empty phrases, hollow tune. Say you love me, but I don't feel you. Say you love me, but the words they hollow. Promises stacked up, too hard to swallow. A shadow of affection, where's the light to follow? Your touch so cold, it chills my tomorrow. Say you love me, but I don't feel it. Say you need me, but you conceal it. Yeah. Words on repeat, but they don't heal it. Your love's a song, but I can't believe it. Yeah. Eyes on your phone while my heart's on fire. Your love's a whisper, but I need a choir. Yeah. Truth so slippery, a tightrope wire.